Hello. In this video, we will go over the process for downloading and installing the Rhino 6 evaluation. To begin, we open up a web browser and we navigate to rhino3d.com. Next, we click the download link. Unless you already have a license for Rhino 6, it is recommended to download and install the evaluation. You can always upgrade your evaluation to a full version of Rhino after purchasing a license. To download the evaluation, we click the evaluation link. Next, we enter in an email address. Then we select the language that we wish to download. Finally, we click the download button to start the download. When the download is finished, we run the installer to start the installation process. Make sure you read the terms and conditions before accepting the agreement. Once you have read the terms and agreement and accept them, click the Install Now button to install the trial. The installation of Rhino is now complete.